And hi again, everybody. Welcome back to Theme Park Seniors. I'm Dan. This is my wife, Dawn. We thought we'd check in with you as we work our way into the spring, as a lot of things still going on in Disneyland, a lot of updates that need to be covered, and we're going to hopefully share some of those with you coming up in just a few minutes. But first, we have an update on our upcoming trip.
That's right. I have booked our vacation for this summer. We're going to be there for 5 days, 6 nights, and we are looking forward to going. I have called Getaway today. I talked to them personally on the phone. I don't remember the sweet young lady's name that I spoke with, but she was wonderful. She asked questions I didn't even think of to help plan our trip. So definitely well worth giving them a call. If you don't want to go online, that's great. Give them a call. Talk to them. They are so helpful.
Remember, that number is 1-855-GETAWAY. 1-855-GETAWAY, and our code you'll need to remember and be able to give to them is TPS10. So just remember that. All right, let's take a look at some of the things going on around the park, and let's get started with talking about Star Wars Nights.
That's right, Star Wars Nights for Galaxy's Edge. They're doing Season of the Force. Again, this runs March 28th through May 11th. There'll be a number of new things during that celebration, like a projection show in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge called A Shadow of Memory, a Skywalker Saga. It will debut on the 28th of March and run nightly on the Black Mountain Spires of Batuu. It will also take guests on a storytelling adventure across the galaxy. It brings life to some of the iconic moments in the Star Wars series.
And as previously announced, Luke Skywalker will actually make appearances at Star Wars Nights this year, although the exact schedule of his days and locations on where he will appear in Batuu have not been released as of yet. Tickets for Star Wars Nights are currently on sale. However, the main night of May 4th is already sold out.
Yeah, and that was actually the most expensive night too as well, but I figured it would go first, being it's May the 4th. We have construction updates also. We have the monorail and the railroad. They will both be coming back on March 7th. The train was undergoing the improvements of the track replacement. And on the monorail, they did some improvements at the Disneyland Hotel monorail station. We also have Tinkerbell's Meet and Greet at Pixie Hollow. It is still closed, and we do not have an update of when that will be open yet. And Jolly Holiday Bakery Cafe has announced it will reopen March 22nd. And that's always a great place for me because they have gluten-free treats. So
there you go.
I like that one.
Some of the other announcements of things going on around the park. The Indiana Jones Adventure will close on March 17th for some refurb work. No reopening date for that attraction announced as of yet. Grizzly River Run, which is currently closed, will be reopening on March the 13th. And the Guardians of the Galaxy in DCA will close March 10th through the 20th.
We also have the Storytellers Cafe inside the Grand Californian is closed for a few weeks, starting on March 3rd. However, they are already taking reservations for Easter Sunday. I know they're doing some construction inside the hotel, so it should be very interesting to see this summer.
Very good. So with the 70th anniversary continues to creep up on us, with the opening coming in May, and some new opening dates have been announced. For the Walt Disney A Magical Life attraction the opening date has now been moved to July the 17th. That's the actual anniversary of the park itself. Now this attraction featuring Walt Disney is the first audio animatronic to feature Walt himself. As you remember, it was going to open on the beginning of the 70th anniversary celebration in May, but now that is not going to happen. Guests who enter the Opera House will find all new gallery experience that will feature never-seen-before artifacts of Walt's life. In a collaboration with the Disney Family Museum, over 30 items have been selected, including pieces from Walt's private apartment, like a rocking chair, lamp, and a table. The family will also loan pieces like Walt Disney's 1955 Emmy Award for his Disneyland series, his Presidential Medal of Freedom that he received from President Johnson in 1964, and the Walt Disney Commemorative Medal presented to Lillian Disney by President Nixon in 1969.
And here's something new. When guests exit that attraction, they'll be able to see reels of upcoming projects at Disneyland that show how Disneyland continues to move forward. And a new third verse to the It's a Small World song will be part of a tribute to the Sherman Brothers this summer as part of the 70th anniversary, along with a short film entitled The Last Verse, which celebrates the Sherman Brothers' timeless connection and hope of It's a Small World song.
That's a short film will show in the Main Street Theater about the Sherman Brothers, who wrote the actual Small World song. That third verse that Dawn just mentioned was actually written in 1967 by Richard M. Sherman as his last contribution to the park. That new verse goes like this: Mother Earth unites us in heart and mind, and the love we give makes us humankind. Through our vast and wondrous land, we stand hand in hand. It's a small world after all.
Yeah, that should be pretty interesting to see how that all comes together.
Yeah, they're just going to add the verse in there somehow. They're going to completely re-record the song and then present it new that way. It remains a very interesting and interesting thing we'll have to check out once we get there.
Absolutely. I look forward to doing that. World of Color Happiness is a new addition to the nighttime entertainment in California Adventure during the anniversary. The show is going to be hosted by Riley's cast of emotions from Inside Out and Inside Out 2. Guests join them as they explore the notion of happy through the lens of different human emotions as they manifest in colors, music, and familiar character cameos. The original concept for the show sprung from Walt Disney's dedication speech for Disneyland's opening day, which began with the familiar words, "To all who come to this happy place, welcome."
And one of the things that will also be returning during the 70th anniversary celebration is the Wondrous Journey fireworks show, as it will once again light up the skies over Disneyland Park's Sleeping Beauty Castle during the 70th anniversary celebration.
Yeah, and we also have the much beloved nighttime parade, Paint the Night. It's going to finally return to the Disneyland Park for the 70th anniversary. This catchy tune and colorful floats make this an offering we are so happy to see again. And I know we plan on seeing it. We love that show.
Yeah, that's a good one. We didn't get to see it all that much, but before when it ran.
Yeah.
But we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, we definitely loved it though. It was nice.
And there's also a new sipper cup available for those who like to collect those sipper cups and popcorn buckets. There's a new sipper cup available in DCA. The new sipper cup features the Captain America shield, as was released actually on Valentine's Day, so it is on sale now. Valentine's Day was the same day that the new Captain America movie was actually released. So this comes as right along with the movie, and it comes with a couple of new drink options as well. First is the Red Gamut Gulp. That's a red velvet cold brew with cream cheese cold foam. Then there's the Liberty Punch, which is a lemonade layered with Blue Hawaiian and Lipsum Punch as well. The new sipper and drinks are available at the Pym Test Kitchen, Terran Treats, Shawarma Place, Shawarma 2, and the Fairfax Market.
Yeah, we look forward to trying those out when we're there. See how we like them. The latest Magic Key update, the Inspire Key, the most expensive key that offers the most perks in the park, is sold out to new buyers. It's still available for renewal though, but not for the new buyers. The Believe and Enchant keys are still available for new purchases and also renewals as well.
So as we kind of wind this down and get you ready to move further into the spring and into the summer and help get you ready for the 70th anniversary celebration. So as we start to wind this edition down here on Theme Park Seniors, I want to thank you for joining us and wish everyone a very healthy spring until the next time we come back and join you with more details about things upcoming at the park.
That's right. If you could like, subscribe, and share our videos, we would so appreciate it. It helps us keep us going.
And don't forget, if you want to plan your trip, it doesn't have to be to Disneyland or Disney World or to a Disney cruise. You can plan your trip anywhere by using our friends at Getaway Today. But just remember our link that you can find in the description of this video. And of course, you'll need our password as well, which is TPS10. That'll get you unlocked to all sorts of other discounts and advantages as well.
That's right. We, like I say, we love using them for all of our vacationing when it comes to our theme parks.
And remember, like, subscribe, and share our video with everybody else, your friends, family, whoever it might be, who might enjoy these videos as well. So until next time, thanks for watching, everybody, as we are the Theme Park Seniors, Dan and Dawn, saying goodbye for now.
Night, everyone.
So as we kind of wrap this down so as we kind of wind this down and get you ready to move further into the spring and into the summer and help get you ready for the 70th anniversary celebration, we want to say thanks for listening and thanks for joining us. So as we start to wind this edition down here on my, damn it. So as we start to wind this edition down here on Theme Park Seniors, we want to thank you for joining us and wish everyone a very healthy spring until the next time we come back and join you with more details about things upcoming at the park.
That's right. If you could like, subscribe, and share our videos, we would so appreciate it. It helps us keep us going.
And don't forget, if you want to travel, and don't forget, if you want to plan your trip, it doesn't have to be to Disneyland or Disney World or to a Disney cruise. You can plan your trip anywhere by using our friends at Getaway Today. But just remember our link that you can find in the description of this video. And of course, you'll need our password as well, which is TPS10. That'll get you unlocked to all sorts of other discounts and advantages as well.
That's right. We, like I say, we love using them for all of our vacationing when it comes to our theme parks.
And remember, like, subscribe, and share our video with everybody else, your friends, family, whoever it might be, who might enjoy these videos as well. So until next time, thanks for watching, everybody, as we are the Theme Park Seniors, Dan and Dawn, saying goodbye for now.
Night, everyone. Okay. One thing,
a little bit better.
Next time TVs go off, I could start to see a reflection in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
So, but it is what it is. I'm not going to